My name is Milan. In previous video, we learned up to the question number 8. Okay, so now we will learn question number 9. So let's start it. First of all, read this question. Use the sign of greater than, less than, or is equal to in the box to make the statements true. Okay, here one box are given in all this question. Okay, we need to put the sign less than, greater than, or is equal to. Okay, so we just need to check our which side is greater. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do in this question, just find out the answer of both the side of the box. That means left hand side and right hand side. Okay, with respect to this box, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the separate answers of left hand side and right hand side. After that, we can decide which side is greater. Okay, and then we can put the less than, greater than, otherwise is equal to sign. Okay, so we need to solve left hand side and right hand side separately. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. Now in question number 1, in left hand side we have minus 8 plus minus 4. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, we just need to simplify this, and for that here we have two sign, right? So first of all, we need to convert this two signs into single sign. So first of all, minus 8 remains as it is. Okay, now here we need to solve this bracket, right? So plus minus minus and 4 as it is. Okay, again minus 8 plus minus 4. So first of all, this minus 8 remains as it is. Now here plus minus minus, so minus 4. Okay, this bracket shows multiplication, and in multiplication we know that plus minus minus. Okay, now we need to solve this. Okay, here we have minus and here also we have minus, so minus minus plus, that means we need to use here addition process, right? So 8 plus 4, 12, and we need to put big number sign. Our big number is 8. Okay, so 8 have negative sign, so here negative sign. Okay, so our answer of left hand side, it is minus 12. Okay, so here we get answer minus 12. Now we need to solve our right hand side of the box. Okay, so in right hand side we have minus 8, then minus minus 4, right? So first of all, this minus 8. Okay, then minus, and here even minus, so minus minus plus, here 4, so 4 as it is. Okay, so first of all, minus 8 remains as it is, this minus minus becomes plus, and 4. Okay, now we need to solve this. Okay, so here we have negative sign and positive sign. Okay, so plus minus minus, so we need to use the subtraction process here. Okay, plus minus minus, so we need to use here subtraction process. So 8 minus 4, it's a 4. Okay, now big number is 8. 8 have negative sign, so here negative sign. So answer of our right hand side is minus 4. Okay, this is our answer, minus 4. So our left hand side is equal to minus 12 and right hand side is equal to minus 4. Now which number is greater, minus 12 or minus 4? If we see the number line, here we have 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, right? Left hand side we have negative numbers and right hand side we have positive numbers. One more thing, if on the number line we move toward the from the left hand side to right hand side, our number value of our number is increase, right? If we move from left hand side to right hand side on the number line, so value of our number is increase. That means minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, 1 is greater than 0, 3 is greater than 2. Okay, so here if we think about the negative numbers, then we need to apply reverse thing. as we apply for the positive numbers. That means here, if we think about minus 3 and minus 2, so here minus 3 is not big number. Here minus 2 is big number because it is in the right hand side of minus 3 on the number line. Okay, so in negative numbers, we need to use reverse thing. That means our big number becomes small and small number becomes big. Okay, so here 3 is not greater, but minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Okay, if it is a positive number, then definitely 3 is greater than 2, right? If positive numbers are there, then definitely 3 is greater number, but in negative, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. So same thing we need to apply here. Here we have minus 12 and minus 4. So here 12 is not big number because it have a negative sign, but here minus 4 is greater than minus 12. Okay, so we need to put here greater than sign, right? Sorry, less than sign. So minus 12 is less than minus 4. Here minus 4 is big number. Okay. Now question number B. Here in left hand side we have minus 3 plus 7 and minus 19. Okay. And in right hand side we have 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So first of all we need to solve the left hand side. Okay. So left hand side, here minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay, here in bracket we do not have any sign, right? In bracket we do not have any sign, so we can directly open the bracket, right? So minus 19, and here before this bracket there is no sign, so directly we can open this brackets too. So alternately we can write minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay, now we need to solve this. So first of all, this two number, so plus minus minus, okay, plus minus minus, so 7 minus 3 4. We need to put big number sign. Big number is 7. 7 have positive sign, so plus 4. But if we do not write plus sign, then even it's right. Now minus 19. Okay, again I repeat this thing, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Here plus minus minus, 7 minus 3 4. Big number 7 have positive sign, so here positive sign, then minus 19. Okay, now again we have plus minus minus, 19 minus 4 15. Big number is 19. 19 have negative sign, so here negative sign. So our answer of left hand side, it is minus 15. Okay, so here minus 15. Now right hand side, 15 minus 8. Now here plus sign and minus sign is there, right? So we need to convert in a single sign, and bracket, that means multiply, so plus minus minus 9. Okay, again here plus minus minus, so here minus 9. Okay, now solve first of all first two number. So here 15 does not have any sign, that means plus sign. Okay, so plus minus minus, 15 minus 8 7. Big number 15 have positive sign, so positive sign here. Here we have minus 9, so minus 9. Okay, then here plus minus minus, 9 minus 7 2. Big number 9 have negative sign, so here negative sign. Okay, so answer of our right hand side, it is minus 2. Okay, so here we have minus 15 and here we have minus 2. So out of this two number, which number is greater? If positive numbers are there, then definitely 15 is greater than 2, but here both are negative numbers, so reverse thing, that means minus 2 is greater than minus 15. Okay, so we need to put here less than sign. Minus 15 is less than minus 2. Okay, then next is question number C. Here we have 23 minus 41 plus 11 in left hand side, and in right hand side we have 23 minus 41 minus 11. Okay, now first of all left hand side, 23 minus 41 plus 11. First of all solve these two numbers. So here 23 does not have any sign, that means plus sign. Here plus minus minus, 41 minus 23. it's 18, right? Plus minus minus. So we need to use subtraction process. 41 minus 23, it's 18, and big number 41 have negative sign, so here negative sign, and here plus 11. Okay, so minus 18 plus 11. Okay, then here minus and here plus. Okay, so plus minus minus. Okay, so plus minus minus, that means we need to use a subtraction process, right? Now 18 minus 11, it's a 7. Okay, big number 18 have negative sign, so here negative sign. So our answer of left hand side, it is minus 7. Okay, so left hand side we have minus 7, and right hand side we have 23 minus 41 minus 11. Okay, here 23 does not have any sign, so plus sign, and plus minus minus 41 minus 23, 18. Big number 41 have a negative sign, so negative sign, and here we have minus 11. Okay, now solve this two number, minus minus plus. 18 plus 11, 29. Big number 18 have negative sign, so here negative sign. Okay, so answer of right hand side, it is minus 29. Okay, so left hand side we have minus 7, and right hand side we have minus 29. Okay, now which number is greater, minus 7 or minus 29? If positive numbers are there, then definitely 29 is greater than 7. But here we have negative numbers. Okay, so minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Okay, minus 7 is greater number than the minus 29. Now whatever number is big at that side, we just want this two arms. Okay, open arms. Our big number, at the side of a big number we need to put this open arm, and at the less number we need to put this vertex. Okay, that means what I want to say, if minus 7 is big number, then definitely which sign we need to put here, we need to put here this one sign, that means open arms. Open arms, it is on the side of big number. Okay, then question number D. Here left hand side we have 39 plus minus 24 and minus 15. Okay, so first of all we need to solve this left hand side. Okay, 39. Now here we have two sign, plus and minus, so plus minus minus 24, and here we have minus 15, right? So 39 plus minus minus 24 and minus 15. Okay, now we need to solve this. So first of all, first two number, here 39 does not have any sign, so plus sign. Okay, plus minus minus 39 minus 24, 39 minus 24, it's a 15, right? And big number 39 have positive sign, so here plus 15, and last we have minus 15, right? So here plus 15 minus 15 cancel, 0, because plus minus minus 15 minus 15, it's a 0. So our answer of left hand side, it is 0. Now right hand side we have 36. Here we have two sign, plus and minus, so plus minus minus, so here we need to write minus 52, right? First of all 36 as it is, then plus minus minus 52, and at last we have minus minus plus 36. Okay, at last minus minus plus 36. Okay, now we need to solve this. So either we can solve first two number, otherwise we can also solve first and last number. Okay, here we can apply commutative property, that means in any order we can use the, we can do the addition subtraction process. Okay, if we do the subtraction process, then even we can change the order, but just one thing we need to take a note, that is we need to write the number with the sign. Okay, that means if 36 minus 52 is there, so you can also write if 36 minus 52 is there, then you need to write minus 52 plus 36, because 52 have negative sign, 36 have positive sign. Okay, you cannot write 52 minus 36, this is not commutative property. Okay, if you write with the sign, then you can change the order in addition and subtraction. Okay, so here I'm not going with 36 minus 52. You can also do it 36 minus 52, and after that whatever answer you get, you can do the process with the 36. But here for the simplicity, I directly add 36 and 36, because both 36 have a positive sign. So we need to use addition process. 36 plus 36, 72. Both have positive sign, so 72 positive. And here we have minus 52. Okay, now plus minus minus 72 minus 52. It's a 20. And big number 72 have positive sign, so plus 20. Okay, and if you solve first of all 36 minus 52 plus minus minus 52 minus 36, 16. Big number 52 have negative sign, so negative sign, and plus 36. Now plus minus minus 36 minus 16, 20. Big number 36 have positive sign, so then even you can get the same answer. But I just want to inform you that you can do the process in any order. It does not necessary that always we need to solve first two numbers and after that last number. No, you can do the process in any order. Okay, so alternately here our left hand side is 0 and right hand side is 20. So this is easy, right? Because we know that 20 is greater than 0. So we need to put here less than sign. 0 is less than 20. Right? 20 is big number, so this open arms, it is on the big number side. Okay, so 20 is greater than 0. Okay, then last number is in left hand side we have minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Okay, and right hand side we have minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So first of all we need to solve left hand side. Okay, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Okay, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. So first of all solve these two numbers. So here plus minus minus. Okay, 231 minus 79. So 11 minus 9, 2, and 22 minus 7, 15. So 152. Okay, plus minus minus 231 minus 79. It is 152. And big number 231 have negative sign, so here negative sign. Okay, after that we have plus 51. Okay, now minus plus minus 152 minus 51. Okay, here we have minus and plus sign, so minus plus minus, that means we need to use subtraction process. So 152 minus 51, it's a 101. Okay, big number is 152, it's have negative sign, so here negative 101. Okay, our left hand side is equals to minus 101. Okay, now we need to solve our right hand side, and right hand side we have minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Here before the bracket there is no sign, so directly we can open the bracket. Okay, now here we need to solve this. I'm not going with first two number, but I'm going with last two number. So first of all this minus 399 remains as it is. Okay, now here both have positive sign, so plus plus plus, so 159 plus 81. Okay, it's a 240, right? Both have positive sign, so plus 240. Okay, minus 399 plus 240. Now here minus plus minus. Okay, plus minus minus. Now 399 minus 240. So 9 minus 4 5, 3 minus 2 1, 159. and big number is 399, have negative sign, so here negative minus 159. Okay, minus 159. So in left hand side we have minus 101, and in right hand side we have minus 159. Okay, now which number is greater? If positive numbers are there, then definitely 159 is greater than 101, but here both are negative numbers, so here minus 101 is greater than minus 159. Okay, so we need to put here greater than sign. Okay, so alternately what we need to do in such this type of question, we need to solve left hand side and right hand side separately. After that we can decide which number is greater. If both are positive numbers, then definitely we know that which number is greater, but if negative numbers are there, then we need to use reverse thing that we use in positive number. Okay, so first of all solve the left hand side and right hand side separately. After that decide which sign we can put here. Okay, then question number 10. Read this question. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the ninth step. Okay, what is given here? A water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That means the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. Okay, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? So now, first of all, in first jump 3 steps down, and in second jump 2 steps back, right? In first jump 3 steps down, and then second jump 2 steps up. This is a continuous process. Okay, 3 step down, 2 step up, 3 step down, 2 step up. So right now we need to just count the number of jump. Okay, and we need to reach the step number 9. Okay, initial position is 1, right? Here we write the jump, and here we write the step. That means position of step initially at the first step, right? Now in first jump 3 step down. Okay, for downward direction we use the plus sign. Okay, because we need to go in the downward direction. Okay, so for downward direction here we decide plus sign. Okay, because he need to go to the downward direction to drink the water. So for downward direction we are using plus sign. Okay, and for upward direction we need to use the reverse sign, that means negative sign. Why negative sign? Because it is opposite side of the destination, right? That's why you need to reach at the downward direction, right? In ninth step, so towards the downward direction, towards the ninth step, positive sign, and inversely we need to give negative sign, that means for the upward direction. Okay, so here in first jump 3 step down, so initially we have 1, right? So plus 3 step down, that's why plus 3, so here 4. Okay, now in second jump we have 4, then 2 step up, so minus 2. Okay, for upward direction minus 2, so 4 minus 2 2. Okay, then third jump again downward direction plus 3. Okay, then again 2 step up, whatever answer we have that we need to write here. Again 2 step up, so minus 2, so 3. Okay, here we have answer for fourth step, here 3. Okay, then for fifth step again 3 step downward, so plus 3. Okay, and sixth jump 2 step up, so minus 2. Okay, in seventh step 3 step down, and in eighth step 2 step up, right? In ninth jump 3 step down, so again plus 3, and in 10th jump again 2 step up, So 8 minus 2, 6. And in 11th jump, again 3 step downward. So 6 plus 3, 9. So here we get the answer 9. Okay, that we want. Because we need to reach at the step number 9. So right now his position is at step number 9. Okay, so that we want. So how many jumps are required? It is 11. Okay, total 11 jumps are required to reach at the step number 9. Okay, so our first answer is he will reach ninth step in 11 jumps. Okay, so total 11 jumps are required. Okay, next question number 2. Now after drinking water, he want to go back for this. Okay, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Top step, that means first step. Okay, he need to reach at the first step. Again, after drinking water, he want to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then back 2 steps down in every move, right? And in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Okay, right now what we need to do, his position is a ninth step and we need to reach, he need to reach at the first step. Okay, now he need to move from 9 to 1. Okay, so initial position is 9 and final position we want it is first. Okay, so right now again here jump and position of step, right now it is at a ninth step. Okay, now in first jump 4 step up. For upper direction we use the negative sign. Okay, so 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4, 5. Then second jump 2 steps down, so plus 2. Okay, then in third jump again 4 step up, 7 plus 4, and 2 steps down. Okay, sorry, here we need to use subtraction sign, right? Because 4 steps up, that's why. So 7 minus 4, it's a 3. Okay, in fourth jump there's 3. Now 2 step down, so plus 2, it's a 5. Okay, then in fifth step there's 5 minus 4 step up, that's why minus 4. So answer is 1. Okay, and this answer we want. That means monkey need to reach at the first step, right? So this answer we want, that means position of step is equals to 1 we want. So right now how many jumps are required? Okay, here it is 5 jumps are required. Okay, 5 jumps are required to monkey to reach the first step. Okay, so at last we need to write this. Thus monkey reach back on the first step in fifth jump. Okay, then third question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. Okay, here minus 3 plus 2, we need to complete this series. Okay, in A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. Okay, so what will the sum 8 in B represents? Okay, for again, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. Okay, now here one more question is there. In first, that means in this A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps, and so what will the sum 8 in B represent? So first of all, we need to complete this series, right? In question number A. So first of all, we have minus 3 plus 2, and same thing we need to write here, right? Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. And we want answer minus 8, right? So what is the answer of this minus 3 plus 2? Plus minus minus, 3 minus 2, 1. Big number 3 have a negative sign, so minus 1. Okay, we want sum as a minus 8. Okay, in one step, that means in minus 3 plus 2, we get the answer minus 1. Okay, so total 8 times we want this minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, right? Okay, total, if we get this 8 time, then the sum is minus 8. Okay, again, I repeat these things. Here minus 3 plus 2, answer of this it is minus 1. And we want answer minus 8. So total 8 times we need to do this process. Right? In each time we get the answer minus 1. So total 8 times we need to follow these steps. Okay, so 8 times just write down these things. This is first time, then second time minus 3 plus 2, third time minus 3 plus 2, fourth time minus 3 plus 2, fifth time minus 3 plus 2, sixth time minus 3 plus 2, seventh time minus 3 plus 2, and this is 8 time minus 3 plus 2. Okay, so sum of this it is minus 8. In this way we can find the answer. Okay, total sum we want minus 8. In each step we get the answer minus 1, right? So total 8 times we need to write this step, we need to repeat this step. Okay, now in second sum we need to complete this series 4 minus 2, and at last we want answer 8, right? So here first of all find the answer of this 2, 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2, that means plus 4 minus 2, right? So plus minus minus, 4 minus 2, 2. Big number 4 have positive sign, so plus 2. That means answer of 4 minus 2 it's a 2. But we want answer 8, right? So total how many times we need to repeat these things? 4 times, right? Because 2 4s are 8. If we repeat these things 4 times, then alternately our answer becomes 8. Okay, again I repeat this thing. 4 minus 2, here we want answer 8. Answer of this 4 minus 2 it's a 2. So if we write this total 4 times these things, if we write, then we get the answer 8, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it's a 8. So write this step 4 times. This is first time, then second time, then third time, and then fourth time. Okay, so we get the answer 8. Now just count here 1 2. This is first time, second time, third time, and fourth time. Okay, so this is the answer. And one more thing, here it is given in A. Okay, in A the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 step. Okay, negative sign represent downward direction, so alternately positive sign represent upward direction, right? If downward direction is represented by negative sign, then definitely opposite direction, that means upward direction, we can represent it by positive sign. Okay, so here we get the answer plus 8, right? So plus 8, that means going up by 8 step. Okay, thus sum 8 in B represents going up by 8 step. Okay, in number A, negative sign represents downward direction 8 step. So in second answer plus 8, so it shows upward direction 8, right? So sum 8 in B represents going up by 8 steps. Okay, so students, here our exercise 1.1 is complete. Okay, if you have any doubt in this exercise, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.